Starting to work out at home is a fantastic way to take control of your health and fitness. Whether you're short on time, want to save money, or simply prefer the comfort of your own space, home workouts offer flexibility and convenience. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to begin your fitness journey right where you live. We'll cover everything from setting up your workout area to choosing exercises and staying motivated. Let's dive into the reasons why home workouts are becoming increasingly popular and how you can make the most of them. Before you start any workout routine, it's important to set clear and achievable goals. Are you aiming to lose weight, build muscle, improve flexibility, or simply boost your energy? Defining your purpose will help you stay focused and track your progress. Write down your goals and keep them visible in your workout space. This simple step can make a big difference in your motivation and consistency. Remember, your goals can evolve as you progress, so revisit them regularly and adjust as needed. Selecting the right space for your home workouts is crucial. Look for an area with enough room to move freely, ideally with good ventilation and natural light. It doesn't have to be big. A corner in your living room, bedroom, or even a hallway can work. Make sure the space is free from clutter and distractions. Having a dedicated workout area helps signal to your mind that it's time to exercise, making it easier to build a routine. You don't need fancy equipment to start working out at home. Many exercises use just your body weight. However, simple items like a yoga mat, resistance bands, or dumbbells can enhance your routine. If you don't have these, household items like water bottles or towels can substitute. The key is to use what you have and gradually invest in more equipment as you progress. Keep your gear organized and accessible to make workouts smoother. A structured workout plan helps you stay consistent and see results. Decide how many days a week you'll exercise and what types of workouts you'll do: strength, cardio, flexibility, or a mix. Start with short sessions, around 20 to 30 minutes, and gradually increase intensity. Write your schedule down or use a fitness app to track your workouts. Having a plan reduces decision fatigue and keeps you accountable. Warming up is a vital part of any workout. It prepares your body for exercise, reduces injury risk, and boosts performance. Spend 5 to 10 minutes doing dynamic movements like arm circles, leg swings, or light jogging in place. Focus on gradually increasing your heart rate and loosening your muscles. Never skip the warm-up. It's the foundation for a safe and effective workout. Bodyweight exercises are perfect for home workouts. They require no equipment and can be tailored to any fitness level. Start with classics like squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks. These movements target multiple muscle groups and build strength. Focus on proper form and controlled movements. As you get stronger, increase repetitions or try variations to keep challenging yourself. Cardio exercises boost your heart health and burn calories. At home, you can do jumping jacks, high knees, mountain climbers, or even dance. Choose activities you enjoy to make cardio fun and sustainable. Aim for 15 to 30 minutes per session, adjusting intensity to your fitness level. Cardio can be done daily or mixed into your weekly routine for variety. Strength training builds muscle and increases metabolism. At home, you can use bodyweight moves or simple equipment like resistance bands and dumbbells. Focus on exercises like squats, push-ups, and rows. Start with 2 to 3 sessions per week, allowing rest days for recovery. Track your progress and gradually increase resistance or repetitions for continued improvement. Improving flexibility is essential for overall fitness and injury prevention. Incorporate stretching or yoga into your routine. Spend 10 to 15 minutes after workouts focusing on major muscle groups. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds and breathe deeply. Flexibility training helps your body recover, reduces muscle soreness, and enhances movement quality. Cooling down is just as important as warming up. After your workout, spend 5 to 10 minutes doing gentle movements and stretches. This helps your heart rate return to normal and reduces muscle stiffness. Include deep breathing to relax your body and mind. A proper cool down supports recovery and prepares you for your next session. Monitoring your progress keeps you motivated and helps you see results. Use a notebook, app, or calendar to record your workouts, repetitions, and achievements. Celebrate milestones, no matter how small. Tracking also helps you identify patterns and adjust your routine for better outcomes. Consistency is key, so make tracking a habit. Motivation can fluctuate, but there are ways to keep it high. Set small, achievable goals and reward yourself for reaching them. Find workout buddies or join online communities for support. Change up your routine to keep things interesting. Remember, progress takes time. Focus on consistency and enjoy the journey. Everyone faces obstacles when starting a workout routine. Lack of time, space, or motivation can be common barriers. Identify your challenges and brainstorm solutions. For example, schedule workouts during quiet times, use minimal equipment, or follow short routines. Remember, every step forward counts, and setbacks are part of the process. Safety should always be a priority. Listen to your body and avoid pushing through pain. Use proper form and technique to prevent injuries. If you're unsure about an exercise, look up tutorials or consult a professional. Keep your workout area clear and wear appropriate clothing. Taking care of yourself ensures long-term success. Exercise and nutrition go hand in hand. Fuel your body with balanced meals, including protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Stay hydrated before, during, and after workouts. Proper nutrition supports energy, recovery, and overall health. Plan your meals ahead to avoid unhealthy choices and maximize your workout benefits. Water is essential for optimal performance. Drink water throughout the day and especially before, during, and after workouts. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and hinder progress. Keep a water bottle nearby and set reminders to drink regularly. Adjust your intake based on activity level and climate. Rest is a crucial part of any fitness routine. Your muscles need time to recover and grow stronger. Schedule rest days and listen to your body. Quality sleep also supports recovery and energy levels. Incorporate relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation to reduce stress and enhance well-being. As you progress, adapt your workouts to match your fitness level. Increase intensity, try new exercises, or add equipment. Listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Variety keeps workouts interesting and prevents plateaus. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. The internet is full of helpful workout guides, videos, and apps. Explore reputable sources for routines, tutorials, and motivation. Online resources can provide structure and inspiration, especially when you're starting out. Choose content that matches your goals and fitness level. Use technology to enhance your home workout experience. Music can make workouts more enjoyable and energizing. Create a playlist with your favorite upbeat songs to keep you motivated. Match the tempo to your workout intensity, fast beats for cardio, mellow tunes for stretching. Experiment with different genres, and update your playlist regularly. Let music be your workout partner. Working out at home can be a family affair. Invite family members to join your sessions for fun and bonding. Choose activities everyone can enjoy, like group stretches, dance routines, or simple circuits. Family fitness promotes healthy habits and creates lasting memories. Make exercise a shared experience. Enjoyment is key to sticking with your workout routine. Incorporate games, challenges, or new moves to keep things lively. Try workout apps with gamified features, or set up friendly competitions. The more fun you have, the more likely you'll stay consistent. Remember, fitness should be enjoyable, not a chore. Finding time to work out can be challenging, but it's possible with good planning. Schedule workouts like any other appointment and stick to your plan. Short, effective sessions are better than none. Use timers or reminders to stay on track. Consistent time management leads to lasting fitness habits. It's important to set boundaries with family or roommates to protect your workout time. Communicate your schedule and ask for support. Use signs or signals to indicate when you're exercising. Respecting your workout time helps you stay consistent and focused. Boundaries create a positive environment for fitness. Distractions are common at home. Turn off notifications, close doors, and minimize interruptions during workouts. Prepare your space ahead of time and set clear intentions. If you get distracted, pause and refocus. Over time, you'll build discipline and create a more productive workout environment. Recognize and celebrate your achievements, big or small. Reward yourself for reaching milestones, whether it's completing a week of workouts or mastering a new move. Positive reinforcement boosts motivation and makes fitness enjoyable. Share your progress with friends or family for extra encouragement. If you have injuries or physical limitations, modify your workouts accordingly. Consult a healthcare professional for guidance. Focus on low-impact exercises and avoid movements that cause discomfort. Recovery is a priority. Listen to your body and progress at your own pace. Adaptation ensures safety and long-term health. Notice improvements in strength, endurance, and mood as you continue your routine. Keep a journal or use apps to record changes. Celebrate progress, even if it's gradual. Tracking improvements helps you stay motivated and recognize the benefits of consistent exercise. Consistency is the foundation of any fitness journey. Aim to work out regularly, even if sessions are short. Build routines that fit your lifestyle and adjust as needed. Over time, consistent effort leads to lasting results and improved health. Remember, progress is made one workout at a time. There are several types of exercises you can do at home: strength, cardio, flexibility, and balance. Each type offers unique benefits. Strength builds muscle, cardio improves heart health, flexibility enhances movement, and balance prevents falls. Mix different types for a well-rounded routine. Bodyweight exercises are versatile and effective. Examples include squats, lunges, push-ups, planks, and burpees. These moves target multiple muscle groups and can be modified for any fitness level. Practice proper form and gradually increase repetitions for best results. Cardio exercises at home include jumping jacks, high knees, mountain climbers, and dancing. These activities raise your heart rate and burn calories. Choose exercises you enjoy and mix them for variety. Cardio sessions can be short and effective, fitting easily into your schedule. Strength exercises include squats, push-ups, rows, and resistance band movements. These build muscle and support metabolism. Start with basic moves and add resistance as you progress. Strength training can be done 2 to 3 times a week for optimal results. Flexibility exercises include stretching, yoga poses, and mobility drills. Focus on major muscle groups and hold stretches for 20 to 30 seconds. Flexibility training improves movement quality and reduces injury risk. Include these exercises after workouts or on rest days. Balance exercises help prevent falls and improve coordination. Try standing on one leg, heel-to-toe walks, or yoga balance poses. These moves are simple and can be done anywhere. Balance training is especially important for older adults and beginners. A simple beginner routine might include a warm-up, bodyweight exercises, cardio, flexibility, and cool-down. For example, start with 5 minutes of dynamic stretching, then do squats, push-ups, and lunges. Follow with 10 minutes of cardio and finish with stretching. Adjust repetitions and duration based on your fitness level. For intermediate exercisers, increase intensity and variety. Start with a warm-up, then add resistance band exercises, more repetitions, and longer cardio sessions. Include balance and flexibility moves. Track your progress and challenge yourself with new exercises regularly. Advanced routines include complex movements, higher intensity, and longer sessions. Combine strength, cardio, flexibility, and balance exercises. Use equipment like dumbbells or kettlebells if available. Focus on challenging yourself and maintaining proper form. Advanced routines help you reach new fitness heights. Keep a log of your workouts, including exercises, sets, reps, and duration. Review your log weekly to spot trends and make adjustments. Tracking helps you stay accountable and see progress over time. Use apps or journals for easy recording and motivation. Plateaus are periods where progress slows or stalls. They're normal and can be overcome by changing your routine, increasing intensity, or trying new exercises. Don't get discouraged. Plateaus are a sign your body is adapting. Stay consistent and keep challenging yourself. Accountability helps you stick to your routine. Share your goals with friends or family, join online groups, or use apps with reminders. Set regular check-ins to review progress. Accountability partners provide encouragement and support, making fitness more enjoyable. Exercise at home not only improves physical health, but also boosts mental well-being. Regular activity reduces stress, anxiety, and depression. It increases energy and promotes better sleep. Make fitness a part of your self-care routine for holistic health. Every step you take in your fitness journey is worth celebrating. Reflect on your progress, challenges, and achievements. Fitness is a lifelong pursuit. Enjoy the process and keep striving for improvement. Your dedication inspires others and leads to a healthier, happier life. Starting to work out at home is a rewarding decision. Remember to set goals, plan your routine, and stay consistent. Adapt as you progress and celebrate every achievement. Fitness is personal. Find what works for you and make it a part of your daily life. With dedication and patience, you'll see positive changes in your body and mind. Keep moving forward and enjoy your home workout journey.